go ahead and grab some documents from my desktop here. Just going to grab 2 to start with, import those, and what happens behind the scenes is the document understanding tool, or Forms AI, will actually take those documents. It's going to digitize those documents in the background using an OCR engine, and then with one of the documents, it's going to actually take a look at it and say, okay, on this form, what are some pieces of information that the user is most likely looking to extract? And we can see, once I actually view the Forms AI interface, those results being generated by the tool. So you can see a lot of pieces of information on one of the W9 forms that we imported being highlighted, and the results being shown on the right here. You know, there are some scenarios where we've identified pieces of information we might not need, like for example, the item here where it says exemptions, we might not need that. And if we don't need that, we can very easily go in and delete it from the list of fields that we're looking to extract. You know, for example, Forms AI didn't catch something, we can quickly create a field to account for that, and then very quickly label that field by selecting it and associating it with the appropriate hotkey so that it gets labeled for us.
So now I want to migrate the data. I'm going to use the same example, the RPA challenge, from this Excel to my RPA challenge screen that of course can look completely different. All I have to do is to indicate the source. So I can say, let the robot take the information from this Excel file. I confirm. And then I want to indicate the destination, which is going to be my RPA challenge screen. You'll see that I'm using computer vision to understand the relationship between these two screens. And the system will automatically identify all my input boxes while also matching the two schemas. You can see that the field names and labels don't have to be exactly the same. I can, of course, change this if necessary. I'm happy with this. Once I press apply, the robot will automatically do the data migration. So as you can see, I'm able to do this without building any application, any workflow, or using any activities.